Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Alicia and Don here again this week. Don is a senior product expert at Jak Global Solutions. And Don is here today to show us and tell us a little bit more about the Jak-Vend, which we see there with him. And Don, I'm just gonna start right off by having you tell us a little bit more about that product.
Well, thanks for the time. The Jak-Vend is an industrial vending machine. We definitely feel it's best in world. The biggest thing right out of the gate you have with it is uniqueness and innovation. All the other competition around when you see industrial vending machines have your traditional concession style machines that were made for candy bars and potato chips and things like that. This machine has been in the market for a little over 8 years now. It was specifically designed for industrial vending needs. And you have multiple patents with it. So the features and benefits on this are numerous over your candy bar, your sandwich machines that are converted for industrial use.
Okay. So tell me a little bit more about, the big problem that this is solving for your customers right now.
Well, traditionally the barriers for a distributor or even an end user to provide vending, for their facilities has been cost. And the inability to be able to service. Imagine, everybody's had that instance where you get a candy bar out of a vending machine and the coil stops and it sticks there and people beat and pound it and stuff. Well, imagine if that's critical materials at a factory that's needed for production or for safety. So that's a big issue. So if a distributor is providing that machine and those materials and their facility, their customer can't access those, let's say even on a third shift in the middle of the night, that's a big problem. And so unless you're a really, really big, multi-billion-dollar distributor, it's hard to have, what happens is you end up having your salespeople running around trying to fix and repair machines. This unit solves that problem as well as the cost problem. This is the lowest cost industrial vending machine globally by far.
Wow. Okay. Well, that's definitely something that you're going to want to get ahead of if you are maybe potentially going to experience issues like that in your workplace. So my last question for you, Don, is simply just, why should a company choose Jak-Vend versus competing products that are out there on the market?
Well, kind of to build on what I just said and summarize, the reasons these units are better is you don't have all the mechanics and parts in one of these machines like you do in your concession style machines, to power those motors to go around and drop the candy bars. So when you don't have that stuff, you have a lower cost to manufacture and hence a lower acquisition cost for the customer. There's not a lot of stuff in here that breaks down. There's nothing that can break down in this system that's going to prevent the end user from dispensing products, which is the critical component. So again, you don't need a repair team on call 24/7. Everything can be serviced and supported remotely from Jak. Okay, and all that's backed up as well by an industry best 3-year warranty on every component in the machine, where the next year's warranty we've seen is 1 year. So it's backed up with a 3-year warranty. So it doesn't break down. It'll keep dispensing product. So as long as it's needed, heck, even if the power goes out, there's a 4-hour battery backup. So even in the dark, the unit lights up with LED lighting and the facility can even dispense product in the dark. Final thing is another reason it's so inexpensive is it has the capacity. One of these Jak-Vend systems has the capacity of 2 to 4 of your traditional concession style machines that you see all over the place, because we don't have all those pieces and parts and motors. So instead of having 4 vending machines taking up your floor space, you just have one right here.
Wow. This product is very impressive to me. Everything that you just said, I'm sure it's not just impressive to me. I'm sure, the audience watching this, you feel the same way. So if that is you and this is exactly what you've been looking for, you want to get in contact with Jak Global Solutions, make sure you're doing so. You can give them a call. You can also explore the website here at jakglobalsolutions.com. And you'll be able to learn about the Jak-Vend and all of the other products that they have available for you. So make sure you're checking that out. And thanks again, Don, for joining me today.
Thank you.